Students, a very good morning to all of you students. I am Ananya Modgil, class developer of Emerging 2, and this is your very first session of today. In this first session, we are going to cover our very first subject, English. So please be ready with your child-centric English perfection toolkit 1 of 2 joyful D. Hurry up students, because today we are going to start our new unit, that our unit C. So hurry up, be ready with your English book plus a sharp pencil and eraser is there with you. I'm waiting for you. Hurry up. You all have to be ready now. Now, full concentration should be here with me, because today we will learn a new sound. Okay. And we also revise the previous sound which I'll introduce you. That means we covered our unit A as well as our unit B. So let me write few words over here. So you all have to read it with sound. Okay. So fine. So you have to identify with some words I will write over here. Hurry up, hurry up. Read it. Ma'am, this is AE sound words. Very good. Students, tell me the sound AE will give you. Ma'am, A sound. Very good. Okay, and here I will write few more words like, so you have to read those words, okay? Okay, now one by one we will read those words and revise our previous sounds. So tell me, what is this? Which words are these? Ma'am, AE sound. Very good. So read this word, ma'am. It's G-A-T, gate. Very good. Okay, and this word, ma'am, it's F-L-A-M, flame. Can you please give me one more example? Ma'am, it's game. Game. Very good. Yes, that's right. Okay. Now read these words. Firstly, tell me which words are these. These are the, ma'am, IE words. Very good. So students, read this word. It's her hive. Hive. The next one is nine. Give few more examples of IE words. Ma'am, bike or ma'am, five. Very nice. Okay. So students, you all have to revise the previous sound. When you revise the previous sound, then you have to come on the new sound. Okay. So let's start now. I hope so that you bring your book. Now open your book and come on the new unit, unit C. So you have to open page number 2727 from your booklet. Okay, your 27 page will look like this. Okay, today we are doing a new sound, that is OE words. Which words we are doing today? We are doing the OE sound words. Okay, so it's your page number 27. If you want to see it, cross check it. So come down and see the number mentioned below. Clear? Hurry up. Please open this page and write the first thing which you write the very first. It's your date. So please fill this column. Also circle the day, whatever the day today, you all have to circle it and go outside, observe today weather and circle the clip art. First we do the start, then I will introduce you a new sound, the OE words. Okay, so students, today we are doing the OE words. These are new to you and the sound is also new to you. Yeah, right? We are talking about only letter O, right? So it will give you sound O. Is that clear to you? Yeah. So O will give you sound. Single O is there, so it will give you sound O. I will give you some instance. I'll write over here some words, so you have to read it with phonic sound. Okay. Then you come to know that O will give you sound O. P O T. Pot. Right. There is no E. So when O is there and there is not E, so it will give you sound O, right? But when we put E in the last, so the sound will change. What sound it will give you? It will give you simple O sound, right? Not O sound, it will give you sound O. B O N, bone, right? So when there is single O, okay, so it will pronounce like o, p o t, pot, k o t, cot. But when I put E in the last, so sound will change. So it's K or N, cone. What we say? O sound. Cone, whole, home. Right? So O and E will come together and will give you sound O. Bone, cone, whole. You will spell those words and then you come to know that there is a difference between two sounds. When single O is there, so it will pronounce like O. When O is with E and we are doing the OE word, so it will pronounce like O, not O. O, right? Bone, cone, whole. But when we pronounce pot, sound is different. है ना? So let's start doing our OE words one by one. What we will do this worksheet today. Only first half of this worksheet I will introduce you today. You have to practice those words. You have to do oral practice as well as the written practice. Okay. We have to see the picture. We have to recognize what is this, and then we have to spell the words. Okay. You have to spell those words loudly, right? Many of the words you know previously and many more words you will learn today. Is that clear to you, students? Okay, first of all, I will erase it and then we will start. So how we have to complete this half? We have to see the picture, we have to read the words. Okay? So what is the sound OE will give us? It will give us O sound, not O sound. It will give us O sound, right? Bone, cone, hole, home. These are the example of OE words. So let's start. Now we will see the very first picture. What is given in this picture, students? Have you ever seen it before? Yes, we see it before. Dog eat bone, right? What is this? This is bone. So we will read it with phonic sound. B or n. Bone. Now come on the next picture. What is given in this picture? This is a triangular like shape. But this is not triangular. This is a 3D shape. What we call it? This is cone. Have you ever eat ice cream cone? So it will look like this now. So which shape is this? This is a 3D shape. Cone. Cone. We call it cone. Okay, the next one. See. What is this? This is hole. Hole. What is this? This is hole. So when you will recognize the picture, you have to match it with the correct word. Okay, this is also a task. This is already done, so you have to trace it. Okay, now we all live in our home. So what is this? Home. Home. Okay, now we will see the next picture. Okay, tell me what is this? The arrow is pointing towards. What is this? This is our nose. What is this? Nose. What we call it? This is nose. Right? So we will read it nose. nose. Clear? Okay. Now see, when we take shower, then we wear robe. What is this? This is our bathrobe. What we call it? Robe. 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 Okay. Now, what is this? You all know what we call it. This is rope. जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? रस्सी, right? So this is rope. R से रस्सी. R sound comes from R. Rope. And we will see this is a flower, but what's its name? There are lots of flowers. But what is this flower? This is your red rose. What is this? Rose. This is your rose. Rose. Right? Okay, students. Now there are some additional words. We will do these additional words also, and then we will revise one more time. Okay? Let's start now. So the very first word is clone. Clone. What is it? Clone. See, CL. C and L. Both are the consonants. When two consonants combine, it will become a blend. It will give you sound. Okay, not two different sound, a single sound. So cl. It will give you sound clone. Right? In the same way, SL will combine and it will give you sound slow. Okay, oak, smoke. We all have, see, I will introduce you lots of vocab only with that reason that you will learn this sound. You will do practice of phonic sound. Okay, so you have to do practice reading by phonic sound. Okay, oak, smoke. The next word is oat, note. Next, oak, hope. J, oak, joke. And the last one is the oat, dote, right? So today we learn lots of OE words. So you all have to give me examples. You have to hide all words and recall that how many words you remembered with the same sound, OE sound. Let's close your eyes and remember that how many words we will recall. कि हमें कुछ words remember है या नहीं है. Close your eyes just like your ma'am and remember the words. Firstly, we will learn rope, rose, nose. So you have to remember the words. Okay, students. So that is your today task. You all have to do practice of your previous sound as well as the new sound which I'll introduce you today, and do practice with the words which we today. Okay, so that's it. Have a good day, students. That's all about your today's session. God bless you. All the very best for your exams.